My name is Rubik. I made the cube. Probably you heard the book.
Tumbling, fumbling around my head, you know my love, and baby, don't back down. My head's a Rubik's cube. Ooh. Wanna be up now, you know my love, my baby told me once, you know I'm never gonna back down. Unless I'm tumbling and fumbling with you.
Very basic form, capable to change.
I tumbled and fumbled around instead, you know my head is like a Rubik's cube. Ooh. Except all them colors turn to blue. Unless I'm tumbling and fumbling with you. Tumbling and fumbling. Tumbling and fumbling. Tumbling and fumbling.
The cube, the cube, loaded, the cube.
Do you remember the first time you saw it? Why do you think the cube is so popular?
The cube is popular.
Sometimes my colors, baby, but just to compare. 1 cube, 6 sides, 9 stickers, and there's 54 square. Turn my glue, bring me out of you, 20 moves. It's just a cube, so why does it feel I got something to prove to you? Why does it feel I got something to prove to you? Why does it feel I got something to prove to you?
Thank you very much for coming along. We've been Dictator.